Can you get a contingent offer accepted in this market as a buyer? Yes, and I recently did it. And I want to share the story with you because it is unusual to have a contingent offer accepted, but I want to tell you how we did it and why. So I've got a seller who's selling her house, and we were carefully manipulating the dates and figuring everything out where she could sell her house and buy the next one. She didn't want to put an offer on a new one till the old one was in escrow because she wanted to make sure she was a strong buyer, and that is definitely advisable. And it was even a little bit scary with her house on the market when she hadn't found the perfect replacement house. It's complicated, but it's possible. So when I was presenting her offer to the seller of the house she's buying, the target acquisition house, I really emphasized to the agent how much she loved the house and what an easy buyer she was gonna be. And that made so much difference. He told me that because we were taking it as is. We told him we're not gonna do inspections and ask for repairs, which normally I wouldn't advise, but she is planning a major renovation on the house, almost to the extent like I would do it as a flip. So she's like, we can skip all that, the hassle, the expense, because we're gonna tear it all up anyway. So because I was able to explain to the agent of our target house, we're gonna do no repairs, we didn't even ask for a home warranty, no inspections, we're just gonna take it as is, be super easy, offered $5,000 over their asking price, and really conveyed, this is it, this is our only house, we're not throwing offers on multiple houses, it's this or nothing. We have her house locked up in escrow with some good, strong buyers. You should consider us strongly. And even though there were other offers, we won, we beat them out between offering a little bit more just to show how much we really wanted it and making all the terms very agreeable and showing how easy I was gonna make the sellers and the sellers' agents' lives. They said yes. So if you're in that situation, which a lot of people are these days, that you think you need to sell before you buy, and you don't like the other financial options of doing bridge loans and all that, but you really have to be contingent, it's possible, even though it's tricky. So if you're interested in me helping you do that, contact me. All my info is below. And thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more great real estate stories and content.